We are here in a place where today one of our Goan benefactor, a family named Jeronimo and his wife, Mrs. Pereira, they had volunteered and footed the bill of this beautiful chapel, which can hold about 500 people. It was blessed by Archbishop. It was blessed by Archbishop Emeritus Domnic Lumon. The people here were very happy to be part of this new chapel which is being built. If you see down, there are about 80 homes which are constructed, of which we also have constructed 6 shelter homes. And this donation which came from the people of Goa through us, and we helped 6 families receive a home. We have another project on the way in the same area, a shelter home for ladies suffering from different type of sicknesses and different type of disabilities. It's going to be a unique project because it's linked to a primary health center which is just 700 meters away from the shelter home. So people around these 2 districts who come to this primary health center for treatment can stay in the shelter home, take treatment, get recovered, and then go back to their homes instead of staying in the hospital. In 2 years, we have consistently worked in Manipur with the support of our Goan community, with the support of benefactors, and with the support of so many people who came forward, who responded to our appeal for funds. And today we can proudly say that we have delivered on our promise of providing educational support, relief material, food, homes, and now through one of our benefactors, he has paid for building this beautiful chapel or church as you call it. And we are committed in working with different types of people in different states, and we wish to appeal to people of Goa. You also can come forward. There is a lot of work to be done in Manipur, in different parts of Manipur, in different fields of Manipur, in different spheres of work. Primarily, we are going to focus now on healthcare and on education.